PhraseExpress can automatically check for updates and install new client versions automatically on all client computers. To configure this, launch the SQL Client Manager and switch to tab Online Updates. You can either manually check for updates or auto-check, and you can select the type of updates. Options differentiate between critical, important updates, minor updates, which just have feature enhancement or minor cosmetic bug fixes, or experimental updates, which are mostly provided for specific technical support cases. And of course, beta versions. Okay, let's manually check for update now. There's a new version, and if it is included in your maintenance period, you get a green text that it's free of charge, and if maintenance for your licenses is expired, you get a red color text that you can try the new version, but for continued use, you may need to purchase a maintenance renewal. If you press OK, the SQL Client Manager downloads the installation file from our servers and copies it to the PhraseExpress library. All new clients will download the new installation file on startup. You can optionally have the clients silently remote install the new version, so the actual client users don't need to do anything. Let's try that. We enabled the option, and the update will be installed on all clients automatically. By the way, if you want to remove the installer, you can select here, or if we have provided you with a custom installer, you can upload it with this feature. Okay, let's close the Client Manager. And now imagine we are on any of the client computers and launch PhraseExpress. The tray icon appears, and the client now gets the information that there's a new version, unloads itself, and initiates the client installation, which runs silently in the background. After installation, it restarts and the new version is ready to use. So there is a little delay, but other than that, the client users won't recognize the update.